How to make money easily on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Temu app. Make sure you have already signed into your Temu account. You will land to the home page. At the bottom you'll find different options. Head towards the option of View. Now from here you have to go to the option of Settings. Open it. Now head towards the option of Country and Region. Firstly, you will need to set country or region to the United States. After you do that, you can go back. Now over here you will find this option of on credits and free gifts. Open that option. Now from here you can easily earn credits and free gifts. As you want to make money on Temu, you have to use this option, redeem cash. Tap on it. Right now I have just $1, but you will need 150 coins to go. Over here you can find different options. To level up, you will need to collect 150 coins firstly, and then you can head towards the next step to redeem $2, $3 and many more. So what you have to do is tap on this option of refer one friend, and here is this option of copy code. Tap on it. This is your referral code. You have to copy this and send it to your friend, and after your friend accepts your offer, you will gain some coins. That way you will be able to redeem cash to people. So this is how you can make money easily on Temu. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.